Joe Beermaster. Today we have a 2011 Mercedes ML350. Show you how to change the tail light. We're also going to do a video on how to change the headlight, but first I'm going to show you how to change this headlight. This one's got a stain on it, so here is the new used one. You can see here, I like to always look at the used stuff because you can see what mounts. You can see there's a nut there and nut there. So first I'm going to take this trim panel off. That's got a hex head. We're going to spin them off just to get access to this light first. Careful not to lose them. Take this package tray out. Turn that. Unlock it. Unlock it just to access this. And in here, you see there's little, looks like 8mm bolts. There's 1, 2, 3. We're going to get to them. Take them out. So we got the one on the side. We got those 3. I don't know what that is. Might be something else. So we're going to take them 4 out and we'll see how it goes. We definitely do not want to lose them because they're hard to... Just going to loosen them up and we'll do the rest by hand. They're hard to come by. Special order them. If we lose them, we don't want to do that. They're not very common, believe me. So they are 8mm. 2, 3. You can see all these connections here, these wires. We just unplugged them once we can unplug them now, but we'll unplug them when we get the light out. Got to take the ones out of the used one because they left them in there. Now I don't know if anything's really holding it. We're going to try to just grab it and loosen it up. See where we get with it. So the key is really to get that one out first. And you can use a screwdriver. And once you get that out, you got to pull this out like this. And pull back. And that's how you get that out. And then now we're going to disconnect these harnesses here. And this one we're going to unscrew. And the other one we're going to just disconnect right here. Squeeze these left and right side and pull. And this one we're going to turn on the top. Twist it out. Alright, so we got the used one here. We're going to take this out, squeeze it out, twist this one out. And then we're going to go back over here. We're going to screw this bulb in, plug that in. Slide this back in, put the 4 bolts in, and make sure all the lights work before you tighten it up. Then we're going to put the package tray back in there, and that should do it. Self-explanatory from this point. So I did loosen this up to just make it easy to come out. I don't know if you actually have to do that, but it did help a little bit. And that's it, Joe Beermaster. That's how it's done. If you appreciate the video, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and watch our next video on how to replace the headlamp.
Call the dealer.